one big happy fucking family.
No, I know you're good with that. I'm just saying, careful other things.
I wasn't gonna say anything else. Just one big happy fucking family. You know, Anthony's fucking me up here.
So what is Jude doing? He's wrestling with an OEM fender liner replacement. Kudos to this customer for keeping his whole vehicle complete. So Uncle Rob was here yesterday. I'm going to do a video about how I fixed that. I wanted to show you that he has me go for a ride in the Mazda, and he said he has this weird noise from the steering. And I said, he goes, I just don't want anything to fall apart. I was like, well, I know your car. I said, I don't believe there's anything ready to fall apart. This actually sounds like a little, little steering shaft noise. And
Why don't you just turn that way towards the
that's all right. I wanted to get your handsome face.
Well, I was saying, that works.
Turd sucky, no.
Engine.
Turd shit engine. So he was taking me for a ride and he was whipping the steering wheel. I was like, what I think you're hearing is the steering shaft at 160,000 miles. Struggling a bit there. You're perfectly fine. But he said he was trying to change a bulb in the convenience light, overhead light or the convenience light.
You ripped the headliner?
No, he shredded the plastic pieces. I'm like, Uncle Rob. I'm like, you got to be gentle with this stuff because it was just crumbling in my hands. I said, at 150,000 miles, you know, typically that's what you get with plastic stuff. And he said, you know, I said, well, I want to fix it. He goes, I want to get new headlights too. He goes, you did a restoration, I did a restoration. I said, sometimes it's just not the best thing to do. It's just keeping maintenance up on them. He's like, I want new headlights. I said, we can replace the convenience, the overhead light for you, the dome or whatever. And I said, you know, that's one thing that's wrong with your car. I said, that's the only thing that's wrong with your car. I said, now if something else goes wrong, that's two things. I said, keep your car complete.
Whoa.
Oh, what's that?
Whoa.
This Toyota hybrid over here that Jude's working on. Liner was completely missing. The tire must have bottomed out in the fender well and grabbed the washer line and then shredded the washer line, right? If the fender liner was complete, that would have never happened. So actually not having a fender liner cost this customer more money. And then we brought the problem to him and he was like, okay, yeah, let's fix it. And our local aftermarket parts place for body parts closed. Certifit, how about that, in Pennsauken's closed. So I had to go to Toyota and get a fender liner and all the hardware. Is the receipt sitting over there still?
I don't know. Figure it out.
It was like $140 from Toyota for all the hardware and a fender liner. For one fender liner. Keep your car all complete. Thanks for watching.